Hey, welcome back. Thanks for clicking on this update. So on that time lapse, you can see that we got it in primer now. Thank God we are one step closer, and it is feeling good because seeing it discolored and bare metal, it's kind of overwhelming. You know, it's kind of hard to just keep pushing, but we are getting there. So on the process, if you saw me with the sander in the beginning before I primed it, that was just a sander with a Scotch-Brite. That reason was because there was a lot of bare metal that has been sitting for weeks at a time, and there's water molecule in the air, humidity. When it's raining now, it's in the air. We can't see it, but the metal, it still gets slightly rusted over time, and could be from hands, cross-contamination of oils from my hands, which, if you see in most of my videos, I'm always wearing gloves. When I'm sanding, there might be a time where I don't do it, I just forget, but majority of the time, always gloves, so there's no cross-contamination and no paint failure in the future. What I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's looking. It's looking good. Hold on real quick. Let's go down here. Alright. Working with this new camera. It's pretty nice. It's got a better follow me on this. So hold on. Damn compressor. That's better. I had to unplug the air compressor. It sure does know when to come on at the wrong time. It didn't come on all day and just till now. But enough of that. So everything's looking nice and even. Everything's looking good. The body work on there. Seam sealer is going to be probably last after we sand the whole engine bay. Sure, there are a lot of pinholes that I actually see in here. That's kind of a given when you're doing this kind of work. You know, you always kind of overlook certain things. You can't even see the pinholes until you get a primer on. But I'm going to show you guys a close-up. Hold on real quick. Alright, that's a better view. You're in the engine bay now, so you can see a little closer. I'm going to give up a little closer after I tell you a little bit about this. So I got everything into Tamco 5310 primer, DTM, direct to metal, which direct to most surface actually. But that primer is really nice. It's like spraying a polyester, but this stuff is really nice, and it's not a polyester primer, but it sprays like it and builds like it. But enough of that. We are going to, I'm gonna turn the camera around real quick, hold on. So I'll give you a better look. Yeah. There are some little pinholes that you can see, like right, hold on real quick, let's see, like right here. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, see, anybody that does body work, they know the pinhole situation. It's a pain in the ass. Could have been worse, because it could have been a lot more. And this is all clean. It's going to get a nice straight seam sealer, of course, when I get done sanding the entire engine bay and get it ready for paint. Then I'll throw the seam sealer down in here last, before paint. We got a good coverage in here too. It was hard to get back there. I didn't have my minigun because this primer, so it wouldn't really get back there. I had to really take my time spraying it. But yeah, it is looking good. I'm happy. And oh yeah, you can see the little repair that we did. The little patch panel sheet metal. You can see better dimension of it. It's got the little, yeah. But you guys saw that in the previous video and all that. So enough of that. It's looking good. I hope that I have time to get this thing sanded, because it's gonna be a lot of work. Maybe I get some help from somebody to come help me sand and all that. Getting the paint, that'd be freaking nice. Hold on quick, just turn this around. Yeah, but enough of the engine bay. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going on that. It looks good. I'm happy. It looks really good. Hold on. One last look, because the next time it'll be all sanded and getting ready for paint. So right now I'm working on some customer stuff, painting some EK parts. So we are going to end this video. I just want to say thank you for clicking on this update just to see what's going on our project. But stay tuned for the next one, alright?
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. I'm talking way too loud, and if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out.